Oh, okay. Hey, yo, what's up, guys? It's me back again. It's your boy, Big Brain Coding. I'm back with that golf game that I was building earlier. So, today I'll figure out the terrain stuff, like how to generate terrain for different levels and stuff like that. So, I'll be coding that up today. Let's see how this goes. And I also did some work off stream. Like, I added some stuff, which is this thing. I hope you can see this arrow thing I did, right? Yeah. So it's like Angry Birds. I'm able to control the ball using the mouse. Boom. And I have also like debugged, fixed all of the physics. It seems fine at first sight, but yeah, there may be some bugs which I haven't found yet. Boom, it works. All right, let's figure out how to generate different types of terrains for levels. Okay, let's close this game. Let's get back to our golf.py. I also refactored most of the code, so it is easy to do stuff here and there, like tweak minor stuff. Yeah, let me just do this also. Yeah. Boom. Okay. So currently what is happening with terrain? The terrain is just a simple rectangle right now, but it could be any kind of shape. It could be... Okay, let me show you using a diagram. So our terrain could be something like this, or it could be this stuff, or it could be fucking a dick. That is also possible. Okay, so to generate this line, it can be it can be represented as a mathematical function, but that would be too complex, I believe. We need to have simpler technique to generate terrains. Or it could be like the ball is here on a platform, and there is, I don't know, like a plateau here, and there is like spikes here. Like basically you cannot go on the spikes. If your ball touches the spike, you die. This could be one concept, right? But let's start with the most simple one, which is this kind of deal. Like a simple plain terrain without any platforms in the air, just one ground, but the surface is different. The surface is not linear. Okay, let's search Pygame terrain, 2D terrain. Okay, there is a terrain something in Pygame. How to create terrain? Yeah, random terrain generator for 2D game. Yeah, I'm trying to make a 2D tile based game in Pygame. I've implemented an algorithm that converts the characters in a 2D array into tiles. I would suggest to generate your world column by column, as I presume this is some kind of platform left to right. This would make more sense. Below is a very small snippet to show you how possible simple logic to do. There is a fixed number of S, G can vary. Okay, finally the last line is to so this guy is using letters to denote roughly what will be what will the terrain look like, and using this input he's writing some function that will generate rectangles and shit, right? Import random for I in this G. Okay, max world array join S. Shapes in Pygame. Can I draw any kind of shape? If I can draw any kind of shape, okay, draw circle, draw polygon, draw arc, draw line, draw a straight anti-aliased. Let's see some images. Okay. Okay, I am pretty sure that using shapes for terrain is a bad idea, because generating randomness in shapes can be difficult in my opinion. So what I can do is I can use this approach, this kind of approach, like every thing is a square, basically pixels, right? Yeah, I can denote everything by bricks. This is one option. Smaller the bricks, smoother the curve you will get. Okay, let me also open up ChatGPT. How to create a curved ground in Pygame. Not background, curved platform. Yeah. Unfortunately, they are no such thing as curved surface in Pygame. What you're trying to achieve can be done with per pixel surface transparency and pixel perfect collision detection. Check the link below. That will be okay. Hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Do you want random people on the internet to cry bullshit at your game? Well, do your punk. Bounding boxes are used by many games to detect if two things collide. Either a rectangle, a circle, a box, or a sphere are used as a crude way to check if two things collide. However, for many games, that just isn't enough. Players can see that something didn't collide, so they are going to be crying foul if you just use bounding boxes. Pygame added fast and easy pixel perfect collision detection, so no more bullshit collisions, okay? Code to go along with this article can be found here. Why rectangles aren't good? Here are some screenshots of a little balloon game I made, modeled after an old Commodore 64 game I typed in when I was 8. Here you can see a balloon and a cave. The idea is you have to move the balloon through the cave without hitting the walls. Now, if you use just bounding rectangle collisions, you will see how it would not work and how the game would be no fun because the rectangle would hit the sides when the balloon didn't really hit the sides. Okay. But I'm using a circle for my ball. I want to know how you generated this terrain, brother. How to generate curved terrain in 2D game. Generate terrain using mathematical functions. Okay. Sine wave for smooth hills. For x in this width is my screen width 10. What is okay? What? Okay, step. Okay, y equals 300 plus 100 plus math dot sine. Return points. Oh, what? Okay, let's try this function. Let's go back to our programming in here. This is actually screen width, my friend. Math is not defined. We will define it. Or I can simply copy this function and go to my utils. And paste it here. Screen width is not defined. Here you go. Now, for this terrain, instead of using a rectangle, we will be using that generate terrain function. Generate terrain. Okay. Now how do you draw this terrain? Pygame.draw.polygon screen blah blah blah. Okay. Our game already has a terrain here. Sheesh. What? Bro, I didn't even edit. Okay. Pygame.draw.polygon. Okay, pygame.draw. Instead of rectangle, we have a polygon. Screen, grass. Okay. Mm-hmm. Close the connecting the last point of the terrain to the bottom right and okay. Let's try this out. Okay, self dot is colliding. Terrain dot top. Okay, so polygon doesn't have any top, right? Pygame polygon collision. How to do collision detection between a polygon and a circle. Yep. Okay. Point in polygon. XY equals point. Okay, let's disable is colliding for now. So it is in physics, right? Yup. Okay. In is colliding, you have a terrain dot top, right? So what we'll do, we just do pass. Okay. I have a terrain, but this is a pure sine wave and there is no collision detection, of course. For collision detection, okay, we need to understand a lot of code. Let me do this. Okay. $1977 113. Okay. So Chat GPT is saying that a circle is represented by its center point and a radius, of course, and a polygon is represented by this. The general approach for detecting a collision between a circle and a polygon involves the following checks. Check if the circle center is inside the polygon. Check if the circle intersects any of the polygon's edges. Check if circle center is inside the polygon. Check for intersection between circle and polygon edges. For each edge of the polygon, determine the closest point on the edge to the circle center. If the distance between this closest point okay. Okay. XY is a point. P1x, P1y, polygon 0 for I in n plus 1. P2 this, polygon I mod n. Okay. So if y is greater than minimum of P1y, P2y. What? If y is greater than minimum of P1y and P2y. If y is less than or equals to maximum of P1y and P2y. Okay, let's understand this with an example. So let's say there are 2 points on this terrain, point 1, point 2. Let's call this P1x, P1y, P2x, P2y, and the center of the circle is somewhere around here, xy. So the algorithm says if y is greater than minimum of p1 or p2. Okay, so if y is greater, y-axis is this one, right? Yeah. If y is greater than p1 or p2, it is, and y is less than max of this. What does that mean? Okay, makes sense. So if, let's say if y is it here, it is greater than minimum of this and less than this. And if x is also less than or equals max of this. Yeah. X inters equals y minus p1y, p2x. What the hell? Okay, let's just do one thing. Let's copy and paste this in our code and hope for the best. This can go in utils maybe. Yeah, this will go in utils. Control C. We go back to the code thing. Okay, x enters is possibly unbound. What? Okay, I messed up. Okay, let's not draw anything right now. Circle center is not defined. Now circle center will be self dot ball. I think it's just a tuple, right? Yeah, it's just a tuple of the center. So what we'll do, we'll go to ball dot pi. I think get pause will work, I believe. Okay. I think in my game I've also disabled that, right? Right or no? Okay. Okay. Ha ha ha. What happened there? I mean, yeah, it is detecting collision, but it's not perfect at all. What the What happened here, brother? Okay. Okay, so yeah, we were able to make some terrain stuff today. Yeah, I'm cutting the stream short today. I'm really tired. I need to get some sleep. So yeah, this is it for today. So I just did some shithousery to generate this terrain. It looks like a sine wave, but yeah, we did something. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. I'll be back with another stream for sure. Maybe I'll fix this off stream. So yeah, peace out. And have a good rest of the day.